Oh my god, I'm so happy that worked because you can do so many different things with it. So Dancy Bee had her whole screen covered, and when you did the reward, oh my god, it fucking put me in Valdio Vision. When you did the reward, the whole screen was covered with, you name it, a picture or whatever, a dance, fucking music. It was cool. I put out, oh yeah. Oh, you did? How did I not see that? Maybe I didn't know it was her, or maybe I feel like I didn't see it. Oh, fucking A. Fucking A. So, the good thing about this is that I don't have to type anything. And after 60 seconds, it'll go back to normal. It should, anyway. So you get a full 60 seconds. And I have it on for every scene. So every scene has a double. So I have 2 of every scene. There we go, it went back on its own. Sweet. That's fucking awesome. I'm so glad that I raided her the other night. And she told us about this. Yeah, so I have a double of every scene, and all you do is set the trigger fire to change your scene for a certain amount of time, and then once it's done, it changes it back. So what you're seeing is actually a second scene where my camera's larger, but nobody knows that. It just looks like my camera's changing. Oh, I flicked it all slow that time. Oh! This is going to be hard, I can already tell. Damn it! There's no timer on trigger fire. There is a timer. Depending on which one you're doing. Let me show you real quick. So, we'll show you for Valdio Vision. Shut up, Microsoft. If you can see this. So, this is the Valdio Vision, the one that I have hooked up right now to this scene. So, Mario 2 is my scene. Mario 1 is the small scene. Mario 2 is the big scene. Alright, go to Edit. There's a command, which you don't know about, so you don't use that. And then we go in here. It has to be scene, hold, and that will give you the time. If I do it on switch, the time will go away. Or source or filter, the time will go away. The card I have on source and toggle visible, or set visible, one of them. I have it so it's visible when I redeem the card, Pokemon card thing. So it'll pop up on its own. So scene hold will give you the whole duration. And that's it. That's it. Literally, I just picked a new scene. It makes you set this shit up. You don't need to make a command. You can do it just channel points. But it has to be... You make the reward, so in here you put the exact name of it. It has to be case sensitive, exact name, Valdio Vision. So then when I turn this off, I can turn on Valdio Vision 2 for a different scene, or Resident Evil Vision for a different scene. It's pretty straightforward and simple. There's not much to it. So I just like the fact that I can do unlimited scene changes. Oh, fuck. Shit. I can do unlimited scene changes, and basically, yeah. Better Points was making you pay for it, or you get 2 free ones. So I was using the 2 free ones, which is kind of dumb, but no TTS, but yeah. So I played around with it for a little while, and it sometimes it was like not doing what I wanted it to, but the settings are there. I just had mixed up some settings. All right, so we have to do this fast.